What's up, guys? Today we are at this awesome cave space to drive the new Axial Yeti Jr. Can-Am. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Lily is here with us. Popeye is back at home, just had our hands a little full with the whole family. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Everybody is welcome here on our channel. This little truck looks awesome. This is the brand new truck from Axial, the Axial Yeti Jr. Can-Am. Now, of all of Axial's vehicles, the Yeti series is my favorite, which is very exciting for me today to be driving this. Completely ready to run, four-wheel drive, but it comes at an affordable price tag, being a little smaller on the scale, but you still get everything in the box that you need to run, even the AA batteries for the transmitter. We have independent suspension, a nice 380 size brushed motor with a receiver ESC combo. Our battery hatch back here is very cool. It's very kind of unique. It has a little lock key mechanism. You pop that open, and then here's our battery, a 6-cell 1300 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. Comes with a USB charger, which is very nice for something kind of small like this on the go all the time. Really like that. The battery hatch is adjustable too, which is really cool. Again, I do love that there's just a little latch key system. Don't forget that has an EC3 connector, which is, I think, the first time we've ever seen this connector type come stock on an Axial vehicle, because Horizon Hobby owns them now, and EC3 is their deal. It's a very good connector. 2 body clips on the front hold this on. I like how this sits. Look at me. See the bumper up there? Mm-hmm. See how the little body sits
neat.
flush with that?
Yeah, that's cool.
What a good design. Love the looks of this thing. Very nice. All kinds of clearance. And one very cool thing about it is that it comes with this Spectrum transmitter. This is an STX2, but the point is it's a Spectrum transmitter. Again, a first for us with an Axial vehicle. A fully proportional steering system and throttle in reverse. On top here we have a throttle reverse and steering reverse, throttle trim, steering trim, throttle rate, steering rate. Then we also have limitation. We can leave our throttle on full at 100%, or we can cut it back for 75 for maybe the kiddos bashing, or hit 50%. Maybe you want to do some more crawling style. So I thought this would just be the perfect bashing grounds, crawling grounds for this brand new Can-Am from Axial. Look at this. Amazing. We're going to have some fun. Four-wheel drive, completely ready to run. If you like what you see, we'll have it linked in the description box below. These tires will never be this clean again. I wanted you guys to hear this. I hope you could hear that. That just sounded so cool.
It's quiet, but yeah, it is a cool little sound.
I want to start this off in 50% because there's some cool tiny rocks here we could crawl at. So let's just have fun driving this. Oh, nice. 50% feels really good. Okay, so this is full throttle here at 50%, okay? So that's, the trigger is at max. That's a throttle limitation, okay? But that's pretty quick, really. So I'm excited to let's just go ahead and hit 75, see if I can feel a difference.
I can hear a difference.
Look at that. And I gotta do 100. Oh, wow. Big difference. Oh! Here we go. Wow. Okay. It's quick. I love it here. Absolutely love it here. Look at this, just the dust picking up. Oh, there's 2.
Nice.
This thing is really fun. It seems to be balanced well. I know I'm rolling it, but the steering trim is up pretty high, so that's definitely part of it. But this is Axial, guys. I love Axial. I love seeing new products come from them. Especially the Yeti series. Oh my gosh.
I don't even know where you're going this hard.
I gotta say, this little thing is performing really well on that nickel hydride. I like it at 100% the most, for sure. I want to see how this does as a crawler, so I put it back down in 50%, and I'm just going to crawl back up there along those rocks. Uh-oh.
The bottom got stuck, I think.
Yeah. There we go. I had to kick it up to 100. Just gotta go. There we go. Ooh, there's 3. It's your turn.
Good. I'm so happy to have my hands on this. I haven't decided if this is my truck or Nate's truck, but notice I said I have it, so it's probably my truck.
Did you kicked it up to 100 already?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you're not even on try 50.
No.
I put it on 50, and I was like, that's not 50.
I don't think I'll use this much as a rock crawler. This
No.
is my racer.
I think this is a nice little rock racer basher, isn't it?
Yeah. This is the fastest little thing. Probably in this scale, this is...
Look at you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
did you see that?
Yeah.
This is probably the fastest of this size vehicle that we have. The cool thing about having this in 100% is you can still go really, really, really slow with
I
it.
didn't even think about doing that. Got stuck on. It doesn't have a lot of clearance. I'll help you.
Look, I dug in.
Yeah, you did. Nice. Here we go. Little nudge.
Look at the track.
Yeah. Wow.
That's good. That's awesome. Wow, that's so cool.
You're crazy. This place is so awesome. We gotta come back here more often. Oh, Abby, you ran off of a rock into another rock. Oh my gosh.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Guys, this truck is awesome. I just love Axial. I'm so happy to see them putting something new out. You want to crawl up there too? 50% takes a little getting used to. You got to go like full throttle 50% sometimes. It really is more of a basher than a crawler. You might like 75%.
I'll try this slide.
Oh yeah, nice. Oh, it's just too slick.
Yay!
Nice. I think it's almost my turn again.
You see it? This is
Yeah,
down there.
sliding around. I think this is its most fun when you're just wide open bashing it, don't you?
Yes. That's all I want to do with it.
Ooh!
Nate's at the controller again.
Awesome. I found some water. I just thought I'd give this a shot. It does say the electronics are waterproof, so let's see if we can get past this little bit here. You gotta remember you're driving small scale, and then, okay, lots of water. That's a muddy, sandy water.
Yeah.
There's like a brick right there in my way. There we go. Amelia's cheering for me. She's like, go, Daddy, go. Actually, she's like, give me my binky, please. Oh, no, I might have got stuck on that rock.
Oh, no. Keep twisting, keep twisting. Come on.
Look at that water just throwing everywhere. I gotta go get it. You get Amelia, I'll get the truck. How's that?
So cool, though.
I know.
Look at it.
Well, I went and recovered it. Look how wet it is. I mean, I've drenched this thing. Absolutely
Looks cool.
drenched. It does look cool, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, this is such a cool spot. Oops. Oh!
Oh, so close.
Oh, there's not
There's
a lot
a rock
of clearance
there.
on this thing too. Is that the only issue is with bashing it? You just gotta have.
Well, it's
something
just because of the scale.
Yeah. And it's just one of the coolest looking places ever, though. Look at all these rocks everywhere. And since it's so small, oh, I have the perfect spot, Abby, right behind you. Right behind you. Show them. Show them what I'm thinking.
Okay. Right there.
What do you guys think? You think I'll be able to make it?
Oh, yeah. Nice. Almost. No.
Oh, there's these little flat rocks in front of me there. There we go.
Nice.
Yes, I made it. Yeah. I rolled down into the water.
No, jeez. Nice.
Amazing if I don't fall.
Hey!
Sorry. Oh yeah, that was awesome. I cleared that puddle. I thought I was going to hit it. Look at that. Oh, that's some good air for this little guy. Oh. Oh.
Oh my gosh, it's always funny when I think you're gonna keep going and then I go and you, yeah.
Look at this spot. That's so awesome. Oh man.
Ouch.
Yeah. I think I busted something loose. Let's see if it's broken.
What'd you put? Oh.
I think, no, I think we're okay.
Oh wait, I'm all blurry.
This is just a little linkage thing. The wheel was loose and I was like, oh no, I don't have steering. It just popped off. So super tough, but also a little pliable. So we can just
good. So instead of snapping, it just popped off.
Yeah, that's right.
Good. That's way better than snapping.
Well, Amelia is waking up, so we're gonna wrap this up a little bit, but I thought this would be such a fun spot to finish it. This Axial Can-Am is super cool. I'll tell you, I would not have expected this to be the vehicle design they would have chose from, but at first I was like, well, that is weird looking, but now I'm glad they did because, when is the last time you've seen anything like this? It's Axial, so you're going to be backed by awesome spare part availability and probably some really good metal upgrades for this to hit the market really soon, if not from them, from some third-party companies.
And so far, this is really durable.
Super durable. We're hitting rocks and going nuts with this thing. I've personally never driven an Axial vehicle that I don't like, and we have bought so many of them in the past just because they look cool, they have awesome spare part availability, like I said, just everything you would want in a cool all-around vehicle. If you're like us and you like to go out to lakes and trails and cool caves like this, hiking, this is just so cool to bring with you. This actually fit in the bottom of Amelia's stroller. And so we were going to be back here with that anyway. Why not bring this with us? Charge it via USB in the car before you get here, if you have a long drive, or maybe the night before, and it's going to hold a charge really well. We actually charged this the night before too. Very cool. We'll have a link in the description box below. I love this thing. I will be absolutely keeping it, holding on to it, and I'm looking forward to seeing what else Axial comes out with. Wouldn't it be cool if they had a 10th scale version of this? Ooh, maybe they are coming out with that soon.
Well, they have a Yeti.
Yeah, but not like this.
And then a Yeti XL.
Not like this, though. Not like this.
Yeah.
Like, you know, this color scheme and this vehicle body design. Look how durable it is. Linked in the description box below, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.